You asked, how to divide 3059 by 7 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 30. 30 divided by 7 equals 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. 30 minus 28 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 7 equals 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. 25 minus 21 equals 4. Bring down 9, making 49. 49 divided by 7 equals 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. 49 minus 49 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 437.